Hi everyone, so today we have Clarion ETX-II. It's from 1979. We kept all original. This is the separate amplifier, so keep it in mind and let's test it out. Okay, now that cassette. Let's try forward. A bit noisy, but what can we do about it? Now let's try reverse mode. Works just fine. Let's see how it looks in the dark. Very few lights here, but this is how it came from factory. All buttons works, all lights works, as you can see, but not much light here. Also, these wheels are not original. We have to adapt it from another radio, and this plastic trim has small crack here. It's very minor but still visible. Okay, thumbs up guys.